Internal pressure looks good. Oxygen saturation at 97%.
Yeah, everything's still looking good on my end too, Leroy. You're not far now.
I'm just keeping my eye on the sub's ballasts.
Keep them full before the descent. Remember, there's another 200-foot dive ahead. I'll let you know when it's time.
If this thing works, we're going to make the discovery of the century, Sam.
That's right. Focus on the goal, Leroy. An air pocket takes very special conditions to form. Such an environment hidden away in the depths of the Atlantic could sustain life beyond what's known to science.
Okay, I think I'm directly over the cavern right now, Sam.
That's right. Slow the thrusters because there's a wall of stone straight ahead of you.
Slowing now. I see it.
And the ravine should be right below you now. Okay, Leroy, commence dumping the ballast reserves and begin descent.
Okay. Descending now.
Leroy, the entrance should be to your left. Tell me what you see.
Shady looking hole in the ocean floor.
That's the one.
My God, the things we do for science. Commencing entry.
Leroy, the air pocket should be straight ahead at the end of the tunnel. I need you to remain vigilant, Leroy. This is strictly observational analysis.
My God.
Leroy, talk me through it.
Sam, I can't believe what I'm looking at. You've got to be kidding me.
Leroy, what is it?
I've got to get a closer look. Oh my God. I think I'm looking at a Dunkleosteus.
Leroy, that's impossible. Their remains date back 350 million
Sam,
years.
that's a dunk. I know what I'm looking at. It's incredibly well preserved.
I'm going to take your word, Leroy. You know your prehistory. Leroy, what was that sound?
Hold up.
Leroy?
Just give me a moment.
I can hear banging. Leroy, what's going on?
I think the sound is coming from here.
Be careful, Leroy. Leroy.
Oh my god.